Oda Citizen TV, Eastern Best, Oda Citizen TV, Eastern King, Oda Citizen TV. Ye mama dia maso menije ne mwakoma epe.
So I just make a know. I am a binum na do me so. My dream you doesn't see me damn me know. Ain't Lord yeah my humble cry. Now my throw one no reply. I see say you there online. Now so the message no one kind. Lord yeah my humble cry. Yeah, my throw one no reply.
Okay, you be for more cover Oda Citizen TV so. Oko YouTube and one search for Oda Citizen TV. No subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now do support Adomano so. Any video we get better we are submit me canal. Watch it. Now your website is here www.odacitizen.com www.odacitizen.com. Entertainment, sports, for any stories beyond trending news beyond Okowa we submit me canal. Working kind. Now enum bi twagu sesi na enum no very come up a nice track. Now enum the title here humble cry na brantia or this annual bell abontia na boss annual yensa akan wa ha yene no ebetwetwe nkomo na ndini Joey Papking intin yene no ebetwetwe nkomo kakra do apombo de
ami odom na ozo
boko na wo share hefa
misho
enfa sa na wo share
Mishaya
by shada hu
okay me go school kakra
okay go school apart from music
yeah, very necessary
okay this is our level say
200
school there
University of Ghana
okay na you know when also by you na bibi antime dey come on na kase Joey Papking man Joey Papking
okay so kase Joey Papking young artist that free Akimoda.
Okay.
And so we only made Joey Papking we say we are young artist that may busy world and me jazz music ne Juma.
Okay, so you're into record label?
Yeah.
Okay, so jazz music is based in Ghana.
Yes.
What signing into them how many years in?
That was 2019.
2019. Yes. So almost 5 years in. What started professional music in 5 years. Now, what do you join jazz music in Uhunyamase?
My Hunyama Bibre. Boami were quite Bibre, so because from the scratch, no, Name why just the talent. Naminimshi about music, the business side, and then I'm still learning because they are still teaching me a lot of things.
Okay. Now, genre of music then how you?
I don't have a particular one I'm here, but I would say most of menu I'm here, you know, it's rap or trap, but I can do everything because I can sing. Dance or Grammy to me, so yeah.
Was when you had talent in your day. Oh, then a show a canon as I inspire my who run music.
And they are my family.
Wow.
Because I grew up around in Kofo Amupe music.
Oh.
My uncle, my mom, men and also sir. And I'm a 20 months old, sorry. Yeah, growing up, I'm a 20 months sorry, Pentecost indeed. Yeah.
Now come mommy no new one to know. I'm side no crying in a say.
Makwana me man.
Makwana mammy eba.
Yeah.
Now my music is one for that.
New Year's Eve.
Oh, 3 years.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. You're the kafra.
Problem you.
Kafra.
Yeah.
Okay. So, person who's music here do no realm.
Yeah.
And come from home and run music here, and can some bring a dead panaka, open super and carry up and a capacity. Young way.
Me will be a manager in Kola. So, Sekamani music, I think I would have been teaching.
Teaching?
Yeah.
Wow. It's in the course how you University of Ghana, no course but now
Political science. Yeah, and English.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So you are going to combine these two, music plus after school, you just how they boom.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. It was sharp. Then music, you know, to me, and then come up on one first man, and come up.
A whole lot of things because the music now be very big, but people don't know because they are far away.
Okay.
Yes, it builds your connections with people. Which young for because right now I have in Penny 4 1 or 2 people me DM one. Say me do baby grana me ho me I can call them na maka say also say na me yambo akakra wa then you get it. And I know that change so sometimes even though main rules are me pick yet, but sometimes there are some privileges I may enjoy because me ko baby wo hokra na me kwa goto ade. Sometimes obi to me who me now I can say oh me too. So there are a lot of advantages, and then obey a bigger crown na and crown food there comes with a lot of things because me if I you say entire crown pool, it's been a very long time. I mean, because I make a start yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Now, professional, and you might hear what you mean. Now, what would the EP shot about?
Yes.
How many EP now?
Me were one.
Not tight anything.
East side.
East side.
Yes.
So when you're losing now, yes, we'll start professional music.
If I should send me the freestyles in the account, yeah, if I say 20, they mean do, but I could be around 15, 16. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Now, then your favorite man.
Favorite. Hope. Yes. Hope.
Wow. Hope. But you remember freestyle crack.
When you said it was over, my tears I couldn't control it. Thinking I was playing the hard guy, never my name is you, babe. All of the times that I wronged you, I swear say man, yeah. And in my whole wide world, you the woman that gives me hope. Teacher, I won't pay, I no go do again. Kwadwo is driving me insane. Times that I hurt you, give me twice the pain. Baby, this love is heavenly ordained. Placed you deep down in my heart. And that is a fact. Fortunate and rather sad. Say you wanna go, and so I said, only many that so yeah. You are my
Wow.
That's my favorite.
Yes, very nice track.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, remember Eastern music, and I said, or that music.
Yeah.
How do you see the Eastern music and that music?
Well, to me, we have gotten to a point that we need more support.
Okay.
Because 2 years ago we were almost up there. But to me, no. Me who say
It's no, we shall be so can't at the back of chair, upcoming artists and as artists away still region, back of Benna, or shall we able to be a woman?
Media, the biggest problem we have here back where I say we are not together.
Wow.
Yes. See, I have big brothers on Moko for bloggers. We talk a lot. See, even during I observed something last year. Time I recall Eastern Music Awards.
Okay.
I observed DB. I went to the event because one, I was nominated, and then two, I had to perform. Other artists now, some of them who contact your management, I'll be charging me scans and I'll perform. I decided to do it for free, but the treatment I got there was a nice one. Now I never said it, but me can't be the other. And then see when me drew honum, it was like wapa. No proper welcoming. Like even after the performance, and Obi nipa ba kumpum free. Say I don't know the name. Is it Lynette or something?
The Lynette,
yes. One of them punkanchem say, oh bro, sell by our performing. We thank you. Nobody did that. Economy fast by my management in it fair in and out. You didn't do anything. Maybe do another manager, name road manager or did not 20 work for you that. Because now your friend be about town, no. So on driving me around. But I don't expect you to do it. Oh, thank you, Kekempo. None of them. None of them. But I saw how Tiram was being treated there.
Well, treated special.
Yes. Tiram I go to a time I was sorry PA because he didn't. I think so now BB around there. It was sorry PA. But just imagine. So sometimes it never go high and can't ever wanting, but there are certain things that they are very pressing, and then we need to check them as an industry, because if you want to go for it, these are some of the little things. So imagine say I didn't like what happened there. Say me could do baby that she be not say who invite me. Do you think say me ban send me bar first one? Every crime no be yen ska be now e be later wa be say mo na mo support But these are the little things that we have to be looking at.
Okay. Now, that year, no, when you how many nominations?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Now we need say
None.
none.
Yes.
What are they in the man basa?
I think say voting, no.
Voting.
But yes, but let me say this. I am not really bothered about awards.
Okay.
Not at all.
Okay.
Because I haven't gotten to that point. I was say me who say me drew that point now. I was say mommy BB AC her chair me say you have worked hard. Even though I believe I am doing. Yes. But me focus in the bigger ones are up there.
Okay.
It's a big one. Make I say I'm not undermining the skill because yeah, ranging muhan almost on a share. So it's a very because I'm pushy one. I'll be drew the big one, but my mind is not really there.
Okay.
Yes, because there are a lot of things that happen around, and it's normal because when I look at once the awards are based on votes,
Okay.
and then when I look at some of the songs that won over mine. They are good songs. The songs are not bad, but in terms of numbers, publicity, me point is some of them are I could have won, but because of it's based on vote, there's nothing I could do about it.
Okay. Person who don't music, na bear pana, who said and that dear, me Joey Papking music, me the baby is seeing tell me yana fide, me come.
We a very, 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 very good question, and it wasn't music and you BBC or music
okay
and mommy and get it to that point. Once already before at the start of the way make I say me mommy and me papa na money. Yes, so sometimes me see you or I say my father.
Oh, okay.
He's been like a father to me since we met. A very good person. And once any parts only party there will be misunderstanding.
Okay.
And then I believe say or no, he views me as a son. I don't want to say never be bro catch me minty. But it's different on my side. And yet na minty. There are circumstances. But once on what you penny from a different perspective. There are things go where not a chemi sign. Nyambe understand the digitization of music. It is streaming this animal. It is very difficult, and then the support that it comes with. And it's like Ghanaian audience normally unpredictable. You never know the type of sound that I'm pay because our artists are doing very well. Look at Black Sheriff. Look at the other guys. Obia born home, but somehow you still get less of our music because you never know. I say danceable tunes now too much for pointing, and then it's all good though because we are all Africans, and then but me I always say you pushy music no more a benefit to younger side because look at our brothers, the Nigerians, very, very, very supportive. Uko social media space, you can tell. Yeah.
Okay. Now, person who said, "It's a Eastern music, no." That question will a rolling pine.
Yeah.
Eastern artists will be blue.
Very, very much, very talented ones.
Limelight is very difficult.
I know they are some.
Oh, sure, man. Because my body is the blue.
A lot of them.
I'm quite so not much out of them. Then they will have problem. Ben, I'm not signing me.
I think say a problem of money. Yes.
The California, you for back to the Kumasi, but
yes.
So when it's coming, a pool of a man,
and in that sense, but when we say moving from here to go there,
okay,
I feel now we building connections, and then building connections, so it comes with money,
okay,
because some big media houses, big media personalities now. Only to me post you are there once and then boom, you are there. Sanko for getting them is very hard because me catch all the type of people I made DM for years now. We boom be and our share. And
but number be
I've my texted Sheldon numerous times. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Numerous times. And even there was a time me see you and Gasakra sending email but he never replied. Yes. we were even willing to pay him
But
if
still.
so, but yes, he never replied.
Wow.
But I don't think say intentional, because once a sample
That's
phone, they get a lot of emails.
Mm.
If he doesn't go
Yes,
through
keep
them,
them.
yes,
Okay.
if he doesn't go through them, I bet they say,
Okay.
and then it doesn't stop there. So I sending 1, 2, now we giant. Me, I keep on doing it. A go why woman me release it, I just send him
Okay.
a video of me doing something, like trying to get his attention. It is very hard getting their attention, but with constant effort to be now. Yeah, I believe in that.
Bro Joey, as you say, I know, relationships side, what are you?
Hey, W.
Sir.
Miss Opera.
But I do know say, Joe Papking works as soon as he and I know a craft. Everything. Oh, okay. So, jazz music, we know contract in how many years?
5.
5 years. But you say, I know, best we have it.
Things that this year, 5 years.
That's what this year. You know, biggest stage Ben was performance one as a program Ben was performance is a program with it. Dana not to say stage of them before the Abuami and Maniac.
Biggest stage. I think it's a Odan Festival. Yes. Because Odan Festival, because performance it's different, because once you are still coming up. And he say, "Oh, perform your abontia." The people who know your songs, kakrebi. You see, but it still cheers you up. But me perform your, if you could see, once the 1st January, energy no is different. Like people were jammed, and yes, each time I perform your, I get calls from people like, we want to put you on this show, we want to put you on that show. So yeah, and then you're posting videos. And we had a lot of people texting, "Oh Charlie, we want you to be here, we want you to be there." Yeah.
Okay. So, person you want to interview.
Yeah.
What's one thing music industry? Okay, which opportunity? And I say, "Whoa, to so changing a bit changing music industry."
The way you treat artists.
Wow.
Yes, they are humans like everyone. Once a young audience no who say oh yeah superhuman. But ni pan so to say oh send you to the mental breakdown. So if I tell you what I've been through that year, like a whole lot of things.
Okay.
But obi teacher so we lazy in the whole year and drop. But we need me come at that time. Our biggest problem. See, a lot of artists like SCN, they are going through a lot of mental issues, but they come on camera and then they are putting on smiling faces. Bro, there's a lot behind. Like, seriously. Yeah.
Okay. So, social media handles.
Okay, so on TikTok, Joey Papking, JoeyPapking together, and on Twitter, X, I think there's your friend X. So on X is where Joey_Papking, and your friend is Instagram is where Joey.Papking, and Facebook is Joey Papking, the normal spelling. Yeah.
Now, I send a catch of fans and send no more job.
Yeah, me person make a show behind say those who have supported me from day one. I know what you say. Oh, maybe Joey was slide there. You were. I want to tell everyone that this year they will see a different me. The me now, Obia again say he has the potential of becoming someone big. They will see that guy again.
Okay.
And a good friend of mine, Eka Sembi chairman, and Memano props right on set. Solomon Braku Kusi.
Oh, okay.
He said the difference between successful people and in conforming successful, the successful ones, they never gave up.
Okay.
He might not remember, but it has pushed me a lot. Okachemi crying, your fan said, Okachemi no next day and I acquire tools. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's something that I have kept in my heart. And then also how special he is to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some said you have a Korean who on for and number 4 special yeah, Obama shout out to you.
Shouts to everybody, like shouts to my team for holding me down, because without them, no, I don't know, because I've been through a lot. Some of them were having bigger issues, but they still supported me. Tunchi, big love. Morrison, Ratty, Kenzie, Bamli, Kaspar, Big Steps, Ayisma. Omodoso, me bubu dina me kofi pento kwa bisi. Akusi aroma she woman ma fana mba. Do fear over text me so. I have to mention her. Yeah.
Okay.
And then Slim. Big ups. Slim has been Slim has been wonderful, calling to check up every fucking time. Yes.
So Rob, that's from so or buy. Okay, so the bush for any in a bema to Papking at the train Kumakakra. It's the best from say Dan the video to a YouTube one at my share, no man like no more commenting. I'm a for frost who ate near the and Yama had echo. It doesn't have to be able to come back to me freestyle for toes now into the bands or America Crana, they're sorry swap.
Young ghetto boy, I've been working on my dreams. I'm switching sides, man, I'm sticking with my team. Every evening, reminiscing with the scheme. And I know soon it's gonna be a regime. And I'm moving from city to city, trying to chase a dream, yeah. Determined to make it happen, cause Kojo me chinye. Mo family, ama menya sani, maya no mumpe. Me menya shenhai no be family shebrenton te fuck it. I was only 12 when my mama kicked the bucket. Now I'm 23 at times, see no signs of success. And I'm on a road, but I'm trying to fix my vices. Yeah. And I've been on my toes trying to do this. I've been on my toes trying to do this. Try hard, but you can't kill my spirit. Greek.
Okay, so to be asked to say, down YouTube videos now support Audacity TV, and I said audacitizen.com, your website, your stories, trending news, a story be about two from the motion and moment be a cost. Come on, it will be asked to say, and then so over back kind of home. Okay,
love it.
Okay,
Love it.